That's what we're looking for. First time
oh my god.
that we've been together. Scared. We've been going to Disney for 3 years and I've never driven us to Disney or anywhere for that matter. But I did today.
She insisted, so.
I did. We're here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, checking in. It's a very pretty place. This is Sammy, she's checking us in and she's super awesome. We love her.
Corson, it's C-O-U.
This is Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is actually our second time being here. It's just as beautiful as we remember, except last time it was decorated for Christmas. So it was really, really pretty then too, with all the decorations. It's really cool. We were told by the front desk that in one of the viewing areas, they do night vision goggles to see the animals on the savannah at night. And so we're thinking about doing that tonight. It sounds really fun and we've never done that before. All of the details in here are amazing. It's really cool. It's a really neat mask. People are just rocking in their rocking chairs and it's awesome. Look so real, so pretty. Yeah, there was definitely like a huge Christmas tree somewhere in that area last time we were here. So it's nice to see it at Christmas. It's definitely nice to see it not at Christmas too. Those are really pretty. Look at the doors. It is nice theming here.
What's going on, guys? We just made it to Animal Kingdom Lodge. Let me show you guys.
I love this little card that they put on our bed and it says, "I only hope that we don't lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse." It's so sweet. And on the back it says, "Dreaming is what we do best. Thank you for sharing in our dream." Love it. Okay, I just have to show y'all. This is my vintage Lily skirt and I've never worn it before. I've saved it for a special occasion. And tonight, dinner at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Look at the giraffes! And there's a cheetah. I'm super excited about it. Yay! You already know Oliver's along for the ride with Shelly Mae. So this is the room. This wallpaper is really cool. Of course, here is a variety of Disney bath products, which we always love. Of course, we have to go with the Disney shower curtain. We actually have this pin. Oh, I can't even. Depth perception is off. This is a pin. It's a Hidden Mickey pin set, and we have that. It's really cool. There's lots of colors in here. We have all of the good stuff that from Target Drive Up that we bring with us, all the Fiji water and beer. Of course, we got the resort TV. This is our this tiny Cinderella carriage treat is from a ganachery. Look how adorable. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. That guy is just, he's about to roll around or something. Look at him go. What is that? Oh my gosh, the Joffrey's they have is our favorite flavor. Mickey's 90th anniversary blend. Super exciting. They also have decaf, but we definitely do not drink decaf. We need regular coffee. But any Joffrey's is good Joffrey's. Anyways, this is our fridge. We have all the important things that we need and that we love. Yes. Resort gift shops are the best. They're just so sweet and themed to the resort. Gotta go fill the cup. We're here at Animal Kingdom. It's a little toasty today. And we see a vine person. I almost did not see it.
No, I wonder what everybody's looking at.
We see a vine person. Wow. These are the limited edition Lion King pins. This is the Disney Conservation Fund. He moves. Oh, I can't make it. These are so cute. Up puzzle pieces.
So there's 8 of them?
Yeah, there's Princess and the Frog and Tarzan. On the way to Animal Kingdom.
So Joy needs to see Baby Grace for the first time.
Ah, he needs to see Baby Grace for the first time.
No. I saw her.
Check, check.
She was running wild.
We love Pez dispensers. We also have a, what? Donald, I think. Yeah, Donald and Jack Jack. Animal Kingdom is super, super close. So we're driving and we'll be there in like 5 minutes.